Hey guys, I'm bringing back my popular series of my channel, the 1000 rupees shopping challenge. So how much I can buy for under 1000 that are practically useful, looks good and affordable, and as well as stylish, that you can just style out of multiple ways, and they're all wearable styles by you and I in India, in our cities. Buying clothing for under 1000 from branded stores like H&M, Forever 21, all the stores in mall and also the stores online. Today, the first 1000 rupees shopping challenge after a long time is from Ajio.com, because Ajio has been running sale constantly all the time. You guys know I love Ajio in terms of clothing. I always buy dresses from Ajio. I love the Ajio kurta collection and wearing this cute t-shirt, the caffeine and quarantine, which is pretty much my life. It's been more than 2-3 years since I stopped coffee completely, but I love coffee. I just came back and I just happened to shop a couple of clothing from Ajio. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what all I got for just 1000 rupees. First clothing that I picked up from Ajio during the sale is this beautiful dress. Now this is a cotton dress because it's made of cotton and linen. I have to iron this out, but I just love the color of it. Now this color is something that I don't have at all. Beautiful orange color strap dress. Now this is made of cotton and it has buttoned all over till the end. Now if you can see here, it just has an opening on the front and it looks amazing, and also has a tie-up belt on the back if you want to scrunch it up, or also you can just wear it on your front as well. Button down dress, I really like it. Now the strap is not adjustable, but it's a perfect length. It's not too low, it's not too high. I just love the dress so much, and it also has this elastic detailing on the back, so it fits perfectly on the front and it looks nice. I'm really obsessed with midi dresses because they are amazing. I just have to throw one piece. I am kind of not liking jeans anymore because jeans kind of squeezes my tummy, so this kind of dresses is amazing. Since it is India, I cannot wear anything short clothing, and also it's summer, so it just causes tans and all other stuff, so it's better to use just like midi dress, so it come till the ankle and it's a single piece, so it's super easy and comfortable to throw it and go around. Now this dress is amazing deal. I got this for in the size extra small. I got this, and as you can see here, the price of this is about 1299 rupees, but I got it in sale for just about 600 rupees. After all the discounts and coupons, I managed to get it for like 600 rupees, and it's my favorite dress. Since it's 100% cotton, I'm in more love with it and it fits perfectly well. This is from the brand Rio and I got it from Ajio online, and this was on sale for about 600 rupees, and that's how I managed to get this. The first t-shirt that I got from Ajio is this. It's a beautiful cotton t-shirt. Now everything is 100% cotton and they all fit amazingly well. Now this is like all the quarantine themed t-shirts, so it says like I don't do hugs, and it's a beautiful bright red and it's a plain cotton t-shirt. It fits amazingly well. This can go with all the particular jeans. Just throw in with a sneakers, a sling bag, or a backpack, or a mini backpack. You're just good to go. It's super easy to style, and I love cotton t-shirts still, so it's one of my favorite. So I got this beautiful I don't do hugs t-shirt from Ajio, and I just absolutely love it. I got it in the size extra small because extra small fits perfectly well for me. So it's a beautiful t-shirt. I just got this for like 250 rupees. Now the total price, there is a little bit of calculation on how I managed to get all of these for 1000 rupees, so I'll just tell you guys in the later part. But this was on sale for about 263 rupees, and I just added to the cart, and it's amazing. It's perfectly well, and you can just cuff up your arms and wear it with any of your jeans, like ripped jeans or regular jeans, and it looks great. Next t-shirt that I got from Ajio is this beautiful black color t-shirt, again a cotton t-shirt. So I love these graphic t-shirts, really love this t-shirt. I'm just obsessed with this t-shirt, caffeine and quarantine. So this is a very beautiful cotton t-shirt. It fits perfectly well on me. A latte with extra followers, and it has this coffee printed on that. Again, it's a really nice little t-shirt. Perfect to throw it with jeans. You can just style it up and style it down. It's amazing. Usually I buy it in size S and kind of knot it up in the front, but you know, for this time I just went ahead with all extra small size so that I can just wear it just like that. I'm kind of bored with tying knots all the time, and it kind of ruins the t-shirt a bit on the front. Once you knot it, you have to keep knotting it, otherwise the t-shirt look really bad. So I went in with my exact size of extra small. It fits perfectly well, and I can just wear it on the front. It looks amazing. Original price of this about 399 rupees. I think I got it for 250 rupees on sale. I just love to pair this with my H&M ripped jeans. It's perfect. I just like it so much. The red t-shirt is for 250. The black t-shirt again for 250, which is 500, and orange button down dress is for 600 rupees. Now totally it came around 1100 and something it came around, and I had this coupon. Ajay keeps running offers time to time, so you can just use some coupon. So I got some 56 rupees or 60 rupees off of the entire purchase, so which came about 1050 something rupees. With that, the 1000 rupee shopping challenge is completed. 1050 rupees I managed to get 3 clothing out of which one is an extremely big huge midi dress and two are perfect cotton t-shirts, perfect to wear it with jeans. On top of it, I had some points collected on Ajio, with which I had like 180 points, something like that, which means I can buy for something for 180 just like that, completely free. Hence I picked up this white t-shirt. Really like the white t-shirt with a beautiful colored print on it. It's a fruit printed t-shirt. It's perfect for summer. Again, super easy to style it out. Perfect daily wearable style fashion. You don't have to do much about it. You can just put a cute hairband on top, or wear it with a backpack, or with a chunky sneakers, or with loafer type shoes, or you can wear it with ripped jeans or low waist jeans, or even like boyfriend jeans. You can just style this plain t-shirts with graphic t-shirts with anything and make it look really stylish. It's one of the easiest and effortless way of styling outfit for cheap. I just love the model. So this one I managed to get it for 250 rupees, and I absolutely like it because I had the points saved up on Ajio. That is my beautiful 1000 rupee shopping challenge, guys, from Ajio. So I managed to get a beautiful dress and two t-shirts for 1000 bucks, and since I had the point, I managed to squeeze through another t-shirt as well, a white t-shirt which looks gorgeous. Got it all delivered in two different packages. One of the dress came separately and all the other t-shirts came separately, because most of you girls seem to like my practical and wearable and affordable style. So I'm just going to share with you guys my wish list as well. So this is a beautiful denim jeans from Rio. I just like it so much. It's a completely boyfriend type ripped jeans. I really like it. It's a very beautiful style. Now this is something super laid back look. I can just pair it up with any of the existing t-shirts that I showed just now, and it's gonna look gorgeous. Or I have an other option, like these are the other t-shirts options I have. These are so nice because they're all made of cotton, and I just love printed. They're not too much printed but perfectly printed, and they're cotton and they look really nice. They fit the body really well, and again very comfortable as well. It's under like 1000 rupees, or literally around 800 rupees or 900 rupees. You can put together an entire outfit only completely from Ajio. On top of it, you're going to get offers. On top of it, if you're going to use Cash Karo, you're going to get cash back and Ajio coupons. There are so many options available, so with which you can get at a very good deal. You can pull together an entire outfit at a very affordable price. Style doesn't have to be expensive at all. With just very affordable clothes, you can get really good quality clothes, and the clothes that actually make you look good and also really feel comfortable on the skin as well as the environment, because it's all made of cotton. I hope you like my quick 1000 rupee shopping challenge, you guys. After a long time, I'm back with this series. Let me know if you want me to continue such kind of series where you can get affordable and wearable stylish clothing options from sites that you and I can purchase. Meanwhile, follow me on my Instagram and Instagram stories for all the behind the scenes, because I'm pretty much full on setting up my house, and I'm gonna have my own kitchen of my own, and all of those amazing stuff is coming out. So you can just check out my Instagram stories for all the details. And if you want to talk with me on a personal level, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. I'll immediately get back to you. And yeah, a lot of you girls have been asking me, yes, you can actually buy some of my clothing from my Instagram as well. The ones that are not used, the ones that are actually brand new. You can just follow me on my Instagram in case if you're interested in shopping my wardrobe